Hi shoppers, I'm Abigail from Zappos.com and today I'm showing off this style from Tory Burch. This effortlessly chic bag is crafted with a pebbled leather exterior and it's available in a variety of colorways. There are 3 different ways to carry this bag. There's a top carrying handle, this really awesome chain strap, and then a detachable and adjustable crossbody strap. At the back, you will find a slip pocket that's going to be a great place for storing items that you want quick access to. And there's a Tory Burch logo here at the front that also doubles as a turn lock closure. You'll find 3 different compartments on the inside. It's all lined on the inside as well. There's a front compartment, a center compartment which features 2 front slip pockets and a back zipper pocket, and then this final compartment back here. So tons of space to store everything you need, plus it has a flat base so it's going to stand on its own. You are going to look so fab with this gorgeous bag on your arm. Grab it today, it's from Tory Burch.